Hello, and welcome to Fast Tracks Academy. My name is Michael, your Lifeline technician. In this video, I'm going to show you how to process a return on your POS. To start, you'll log into the POS as you would normally, and from the POS home screen, tap Open POS. On this screen, tap your Return Item button on your POS panel. This will give you your return pop-up. Here we have two options. You can manually enter the receipt number, or you can manually return the item. If you manually enter the receipt number, the system will pull all of the relevant items related to that receipt into the transaction for you to return all of or some of. If you perform a manual item return, this will prompt you to enter in the items that the customer wants to return and will be considered at the current retail price. For this example, let's manually return against a receipt number. Tap Manually Enter Receipt Number. Here it is prompting you to enter in the receipt information. Type in the register number the sale occurred at, and then the receipt number. After you've typed that information in, tap the OK button. Once you've hit OK, it will present a list of the products that were on that receipt for you to select from. You can select them all or individually if the customer is returning only a handful of the items. Once you make your selection, tap the green Return button on the bottom right, which will then prompt you for your return notes. You can manually type the return reason here, or if your corporate has set up some pre-configured options to select from, just tap on the drop-down and select from there. Once you've filled out your return reason, tap the OK button, and now we can see this product is in the transaction with a negative value. From this point, you can tender out the transaction and return the money to the customer, or if they were exchanging a product, this is where you will scan the exchange product. For the exchange example, once your product is scanned, you can tender it out as you would a normal transaction. And that's how to process returns quickly and accurately using your POS system. For more information, visit goftx.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more training videos.